And we're back. Again, we're going to wait for everybody to come in and join. We're about to show US Industrial in Memphis, Tennessee. They're going to demonstrate their press brakes and shears. Give us just a few minutes. Hope everybody's doing well today. If you guys have any questions, make sure to ask us. Let us know what you're looking at, what you need, what type of material you're going to be using. Again, with fabrication machinery, the thickness over length is most important. Lets us know what type of machine to put you into. We should have US Industrial coming into our room in just a second here. In the meantime, we can walk around a little bit. Here we go. US Industrial has just joined our room. I want to thank everybody for being here. All right. There we go. How you doing, Preston?
Good, Adam. How are you?
Doing well. Glad to have you here on demo day.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Sure. How's it feel to be the first live demonstrator with us?
It feels good, man. I mean,
Awesome.
I've never done one of these before, so I hope it goes well.
Well, neither have we, so we agree. Well, thanks for being here. We wanted to just show some of your machinery because we do know you have some great quality machinery, some amazing prices compared to a lot of the other machines. Some might be a little more high tech, but depending on what the job they're going to be doing, I think your machine will work for a huge amount of people.
Yeah.
So go ahead and show us. It looks like you're standing there next to a large press brake.
What's that?
Looks like you're standing next to a large press brake. Go ahead and tell us about it.
Great, yeah. So this is our USHB 155-13 CNC. It's a 155-ton, 13-foot long bed with a CNC control. It's one of our most popular models. I want to talk a little bit about the controls real quick, just about how easy it is to use. We stock a lot of machines here, and we keep it as basic as possible. That keeps the cost down, but these are fully customizable models. We can put larger screens, different controls, whatever you need. So come on in here and we'll show them these the controls. So you can run this machine in several different modes. You can do manual mode by just manually moving the back gauge backwards and forwards on the screen. So some people prefer a manual machine. Some companies may have some people that prefer manuals, and then some employees that like CNC. So this is a great fit because you can run it in manual mode. You can also run in single mode, so just a single bend. You input some information here, what angle you're looking to bend, what length and what thickness. You can set your x-axis here and set it at 6. And you hit this CNC button here, and you're off to the races. Everything automatically moves. You use the foot pedal operation. You can set it up so that the foot pedal you have to hit up and down, or you can set it on a automatic return function, which is right here. I like the automatic return, which is how we have it set up now. You can also run this machine in program mode. For just time, we went ahead and built a program here. It'll ask you how many parts you want to do, and it'll display the part on the screen. So this is showing you what it looks like now. It's a flat sheet, and then after the bend, after step 1, the This is a 4-step program here, and your first part out of 10. So once you're ready, just hit the CNC function again. Everything automatically moves in. Your Y-axis auto-calculates how deep it needs to go. Use the foot pedal again. Automatically return up. And everything automatically adjusts for your next step. And just as you did the first one, use the foot pedal, come down again. Now we have this one cover off to just kind of show the hydraulic cylinders of the machine. These do come fully covered. Over here you have the up dead center where you can adjust that, and you can adjust the muting point of when it starts to build pressure. All of our machines come equipped with light curtains for safety. If you break this, the machine will stop. Coming around the side here, wanted to open up this door and show you the tooling that comes with the machine. So our tooling is rated up for up to 10 gauge. Anything over that, we recommend going ahead and getting custom tooling. So if you're bending 1/4 inch or 3/8, go ahead and get custom tooling, which we can quote for you. All this comes with it. You've got a 7-way die block with 7 different V's cut out of it. Very versatile tooling. And then your gooseneck punch up top. Coming around here, I'm going to show you the inside of the electrical cabinet. All of these can be found, all of these parts can be found at your local electrical supply company. All of our machines come with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. So you want to come to us, you know, if you need a part in the first year, it's covered, but we stock all these electrical parts. Coming around to the back, this is another safety function. This door has to be closed for the machine to operate. Coming on inside, we can kind of look in here. I don't know if we're going to have enough light. Up top, very top, is a giant torsion bar, which controls the hydraulic cylinder movement up and down. You can see the finger assemblies. This is the back gauge. And you have your Y-axis motor here on the left. Taking a step outside here. Gonna walk around this side. Everything comes with a press brake bending chart, so easily accessible information on what tonnage is required for different material thicknesses. Stepping on over here, like I said, we're probably best known for our brakes and shears. We have 8 different product lines. We make chip making machines like surface grinders, radial arm drills, lathes, milling machines. But this is really the things that most sell are our press brakes and shears. This is our shear. This is our most popular model. We stock about 11 of these at any given time. It's our 10-foot by 1/4 inch shear. Very easy to operate. Yet again, safety features are the finger guards here. So these have to be down in order for the machine to run. These are what he zoomed in on now. Here are the hold down cylinders. So these will clamp the material down. We're not going to actually cut metal right here right now because that gets kind of loud when you actually shear the metal. So very easy to use. Push button start for your motor. Since your digital readout here, it shows you where your back gauge is. Moving it in and out with these buttons. And so if you want it to be at a 5, you just get it very close, and then you use this fine adjust hand wheel to really dial it in to that 5 mark. Once that's ready, once you're all set and you have your material in there, you'll notice these roller ball tables. That really helps. We don't have the squaring arms on right now just for ease of moving around the machine for the video. But usually you'll have a squaring arm out here. It comes with a 39-inch squaring arm. We have options to increase that to 6, 8, 10, and 12 feet. And then support arms go here where these screws are located to support the sheet. So once you're ready, all you got to do is use the foot pedal. To make your cut. Again, those hold downs clamp the material down. Those come down first, and then the blade starts coming down. We stock all the blades for these. We stock all the parts for these. We have stainless steel blades. If you're cutting any stainless steel that won't dull as quickly as these will cut stainless, but they will dull faster. A couple of features I want to talk about here real quick. You've got your stroke counter here, and then this adjusts the blade, the cut length. So if you're only cutting, if you have a 10-foot shear and you're only cutting 3 feet, you can adjust this so that it's not taking a full stroke to save time. Coming around the machine, another safety function, you have your emergency stop here. Coming around, blade gap adjustment handle here. So if you're cutting 1/4 inch, you want to set it on 1/4 inch. And then if you go to cut 10 gauge, you want to tighten that blade gap up a little bit. Coming around the back here, you can see the pressure gauge. This is your oil tank. Shows your oil fill level and oil temperature. And then all the machines come with this sheet support system. So as the drop falls out the back, it's landing on here and sliding down for easy access to get it out. Now, some of the machines have a pneumatic sheet support system, which I'll just show you right over here. One important note, everything that comes in before it goes out, we test. So that's what's happening right here. We just finished this one. We just drained the oil. We fill them with oil. We hook them to power. We test cut. We make test bends on the brakes. We make sure everything's perfect before it goes out. This is a pneumatic sheet support system. This one's not plugged into power, so I can't show you it operating. But basically, these arms swing up. It's a great option for people that are cutting kind of thinner gauge material that can tend to droop down behind the back gauge or underneath the back gauge for those longer cuts on thinner gauge material. One other machine I want to just show you real quick. Come on this way. And by the way, we're very well stocked for the end of the year. Tommy is my cameraman today, and he's going to show you kind of all the machines we have in stock. We have probably 25 shears on the floor. We probably have about 20 press brakes on the floor. We have 10 iron workers, a bunch of lathes, a bunch of milling machines. Pretty well stocked for the end of the year. This is a special machine I just wanted to highlight. This is a custom order. We can do anything custom. I meant to mention on our shears, everything that we stock is swing beam design. We can custom make guillotine shears in any size, and then we can also custom make press brakes. We stock up to a 250-ton machine, which is right here, all wrapped up. It's sold to a customer, and it's going out next week. This is a special machine. It's a 330-ton by 8-foot machine with a CNC control. This is custom ordered by a company in Georgia, and we're currently putting it together. You can see the ram has not been put on, but this gives you a really good shot of the torsion bar here. So I just kind of wanted to show you that these things come kind of disassembled, and we put them together here in Memphis. We'd love to have you out to the showroom to take a tour, and we'll treat you to some nice Memphis barbecue. Adam, I'm going to turn it back to you. If there's any questions, I'm happy to answer them.
That was really great. It was really nice to see the machines you have on your floor. I know last time I was there, the weather was just scalding, and I was sweating my butt off. It was a great place, though. You have a lot of nice machines, so a lot of large machines, 1/4-inch machines. They're all hydraulic. Let us know what type of machinery you're looking for. As you can see, we have a lot of different distributors, manufacturers that we work with. We want to make sure we get the right machine for your needs. Don't make you overspend or underspend or have to buy another machine next year. We'll get you the quality one the first time. So give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. There's one other thing I wanted to mention. As we do buy, sell, and trade machines, of course, it's our 70th anniversary, and I wanted to show you our $100 bills that we're giving out. So right here, hopefully you could see that nice-looking gentleman in the middle. That was my grandfather, William Mattis. He was the founder of Sterling Machinery. Give us some calls. We'll get you some money for the machines you have for sale. Thank you very much. We got some more demos coming up soon. Make sure to check our Instagram, and you can see everything on there. Thank you so much, Preston. It's been a great day.
Thanks, Adam. You too.